What's up, you all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to share some updates around the Bonfire AMA. So Ask Me Anything session on May 12th just ended, and AMA team, the Bonfire team was there on AMA. There was some technical hiccups, and I'm going to share whatever happened in 1 hour and 15 minutes, and I'll be sharing this information within 8 to 10 minutes so you don't have to watch the whole 1 hour and 15 minutes. There was some really good and exciting updates that their team shared with us, and this was amazing to learn about what Bonfire is on and what's going on with them. Now, if you can click the like button down below, that will be super helpful so we can reach to more and more people. This information can reach to more and more people. Subscribe to this channel because this channel has been covering Bonfire, and I'm going to give you every update possible in no time. So I'll make sure that I share time sensitive updates right away. So if you subscribe, you'll get a notification right there and then, and you can take the advantage of the situation. Maybe if you want to buy with the price point and the price action that is going on, we'll talk about all the good kind of stuff. I'm not a financial advisor, but do a lot of research, and I like to share with you. And Bonfire is one of the coolest kid around the town on the block. So we are definitely going to talk about Bonfire a lot more. The Bonfire community is exponentially growing. Their holders are exponentially growing as well. We have seen that the hype is holding pretty strong at the moment. Yes, there is a price action a little bit negative at the moment, but there is some exciting stuff behind it, and I was able to find some exciting information into AMA. If you take a look at what's happening with Bonfire right now in terms of the price action, you're seeing that it is at 4 levels. It was around 5, so 0.6 zeros followed by 5, and now it's at 4, but it went to 5.2 right here, and then we saw the sell-off. The volume is down right now. The price is down 20% as well. The trading volume is also down 33.65%, and the fully diluted market cap is also down 12% because of the price point, and it is at $447 million. But what I wanted to share with you in terms of the AMA that their team shared is they are live. So basically they had a technical difficulty and they wanted to do the YouTube live stream, went to the Twitch because of the difficulty, and we had to wait for 10 to 15 minutes before we could hear what they wanted to say, but they restarted the whole session, so it was super helpful. Based on what they shared is they're only 25 days in, and this was their AMA where they said that the token is pretty exponentially growing, and we can also confirm that. They gained the traction so quickly, and in 25 days they're 15x growth, which is also amazing. They also mentioned that now they have more than 270,000 holders right now. They also mentioned that they moved up from their $20 million market cap up to 300 million market cap, which is truly exponential growth. They have Twitter community now growing pretty quickly as well. They have 50,000 plus followers, close to 51,000 right at this point. So the fan following is growing, the community is growing. They're seeing a strong community and passionate people behind it. Their developers went on call, their marketing person was also on call as well, and apparently there was one of the dentists. I'm not sure what exactly his role is in the company, but he also made a pretty good presentation, so I wanted to share. One of the exciting update that they shared was Whitebit now is added on Bonfire, so we can take a look and they also had this update on their Twitter just now. Look at this. They're live on Whitebit. Whitebit tweeted that we're happy to welcome token Bonfire. The token is with the fixed supply on BSC, and this Bonfire token is paired against USDT. Now you can get $0 free trade for first 2 weeks, as you can see just right here. So there is no cost for first 2 weeks, and usually, if I'm not wrong, I believe I heard it pretty good that they mentioned that afterwards there will be 1% fee. So for the first 2 weeks, we may see more and more people may buy through Whitebit. And they're also working on additional exchanges as usual that they mentioned. They're working on more exchanges, and Whitebit is one of the big announcement in my opinion, because it adds a lot more ease to trade is to buy more and more tokens if people are not savvy. Right now, what's happening to buy the token is you'll have to use one of your software wallet, let's say Trust Wallet, and then you'll have to use PancakeSwap, and then version V1 and V2. It's a little bit of a confusion. Now they mentioned that the 15x growth will be exponentially 15x growth will be exponentially go even higher as more and more people will start holding the Bonfire token. On the top of that, the rewarding system is also pretty amazing, that people who hold for a longer period of time, instead of selling it quickly, they'll get more and more benefit. Now looking at the one more announcement also came was they are now tracked on coin market cap, and they're officially tracked on Coinbase market cap as well. Now when you say that you're tracked on Coinbase and coin market cap, that means you're widely popular and the community has been growing. They are not expecting anytime soon any sort of Binance listing or Coinbase listing for the obvious reasons. We have seen some similar challenges from SafeMoon as well, that they need to grow and they will have to pass certain levels or pass certain bars before they can make it to the topmost exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. But the team seems like they had a huge ambition. They also believe in the community. They have an innovative idea around social NFT and the art encouragement as well, and they're working on their legal entity to make sure that they have everything intended and everything legal. They also ensured that they made sure that they are legit people with ambition, and they want to make next big crypto thing into the market, and they advise people to do not send money if anyone asks on behalf of their team. One of the challenge right now they also acknowledged and they mentioned that they're not happy with is PancakeSwap situation. Now there's a V1 and V2 version. If you bought already using PancakeSwap, if you bought this token, you might see that there is a little bit of a confusion, there's a little bit of a challenge, but they explained how to do it. They asked to use V1 exchange, but this is changing in real time. So I would like you to make sure when you do your own trade. I'm not a financial advisor. On the top of that, they mentioned that with this launch, the way that they have this launch with Whitebit and other exchanges that is coming up, it will exponentially help to grow the price point of Bonfire. And as we speak right now, Bonfire is in the 3 areas, right around 40 levels, 39. So it is 21.56% down. However, it went up to 52 level as just while they were presenting this AMA event. Also, they mentioned that they have a true roadmap. They are on pace with their roadmap, and they are going to keep updating us on their roadmap on a weekly basis, which is a pretty good thing, and they will keep us in the loop as to what they are doing in general. They also acknowledge that they found the crazy interest and crazy volume that they did not really expect, and it is adopted by the community pretty quickly. They also mentioned that this is kind of a bridging crypto community from the social standpoint and also NFT from the art standpoint, and they want to integrate all this together, and they want to make a next big thing. They want to reach out to the community for further help. On the top of that, they also mentioned that they're working on a newer website, which is also an amazing thing. With this new website, they made sure that they will have the tokens that you can directly purchase through their website, so you don't really have to go through this the PancakeSwap or software wallet. So you can use whatever your preferred way. I found it pretty okay using PancakeSwap and the software wallet in general. Their developers also confirmed that they're working on iOS and Android application, and security is very important for them. So what they want to do is they wanted to share this first prototypes with the community, but before they launch the app, they wanted to get it audited, because this is a financial app, deals with a lot of money, people are buying tokens and so on and so forth, and that's why they want to make sure that this is audited before they launch this app. They also mentioned that they will launch both the apps, iOS on the Apple platform as well as the Android app as well. They want to make sure that the apps are edited and they're released with audited version from the source as well. They wanted to give the sneak peek, but we were not able to get the sneak peek of the app while they were presenting. They will share the development around the app on a weekly basis, and they will have it deployed on the App Store and the Play Store. And also they will expect a full public release, and they will announce that in the roadmap, but they're expecting that sooner than later. They're going to post the schedule. They will engage with the community. They will be tracking the audience. They have a huge push coming into the Instagram and also in the TikTok. This is what I heard for the first time, that the TikTok is going to play an important role, the way that they are running their social campaign or the promotions. They asked to continue using hashtag token bonfire, and that can have more and more eyeballs popping on it. The new website and new version is also going to help with the new implementation and new features. They want to make sure that their team is directly in contact with all of us as the community and the investment group. They're also going to share out newsletters and the cutting edge bonfire news and what's going on behind the scenes within their team, within their organization, and what's launching, how many exchanges are going to launch. They're going to give us some of the hints. They want to make it very interactive, animated website, and they want to focus on their user growth more organically rather than any kind of paid search. They also mentioned that they want to start some sort of blog communication just to stay in touch with the community, and they want to reply all of our questions in terms of FAQs that they want to list on their website. Now, right now they have manual reward system, and they have also an option to get the automated reward system, and they're trying to decide on what's going to happen there. Now they have the budget. This is an amazing thing. They have the budget for the physical billboard advertisement, and they want to find out what's the location, when they want to do it, and how much money that they want to spend. I believe they exactly know that where they are right now as a token, as a cryptocurrency, where they want to go and how they can grow in future. I do believe that they learn from other cryptocurrencies and how that is going as well. I also feel that there's a lot more opportunity for them to structure their AMA or this kind of live events, and they want to make sure that they also have the good microphones, they have the nice environment and background or something along those lines. But hey, after all, they're like they're on the initial stage, and they might not have enough resources, but at least they can do something about making sure that the community feels a bit more engaged in that term. Some of the developers had some issues with the microphone. Some of them had some issues with their internet as well that I was able to find. On the top of that, they want to make sure that they are competitive into the crypto business and cryptocurrency, and they want to make sure that they come up with their fire starter that they have been announcing, the DeFi and the larger community that they want to focus on, NFT, art, and the utility of their token. That is much more to come in upcoming future. So with that, I think they have a lot more to offer in upcoming future, in the near future. And they are not just the cryptocurrency, in my opinion, because they'll come up with a lot more advanced features on their app. So I just wanted to share this. Only 25 days. The crypto has been growing, lots and lots of eyeballs. Looking into CoinMarketCap, there are top 30 in terms of most viewed cryptocurrency. Yes, the volume is down. Their 25th day, they moved with 270,000 holders from $20 million valuation up to 300 million valuation. So I think it's kind of an accomplishment, and it is exponentially growing right now. So I just wanted to keep you posted with what's going on with Bonfire, their AMA, and the price traction or the price action that is going on with Bonfire. Maybe this might be an opportunity, buy the dip kind of a thing. We'll see what the future holds. I'll keep you posted. Thanks all for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for next time. And I'll see you next time.